Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Firgiawan Alhak from English Language Education and Department at Pekalongan University. So today I'm gonna presenting my article that the title is Student Perception of Using Song to Boost the Motivation in English Language Learning, which is it is the summarize of my finding in my thesis research. So thank you for the opportunities. Next is on the background of the study. In Indonesian, English as a foreign language classroom, learning is often teacher-centered and textbook-based. While this can be effective, but it sometimes leads to reduce the student engagement. But the music, especially English song, offers a fun and emotionally engaging alternative. However, not many studies have explored how how the student perceive this approach, particularly at the junior high school level. So my study is aims to fill this gap. The next is the research goal or research objective. The main goal of this study were to find out whether students feel more motivated when learning English through song and to explore how they perceive the use of song during the lesson. I focus on the two research questions. The first is how is the motivation when learning English through song? And the next is how do the student perceive song in learning? So explore the objective is to explore the motivation levels with the songs and examine the perception of song in a lesson. The next is the theoretical support or theoretical foundation. I base my research on the several well-known learning theories. The first is the Krashen affective filter hypothesis that suggests that reducing anxiety can improve language learning. The next is Keller's on the ARCS model that emphasize attention and satisfaction. So about the Gardner's theory support musical intelligence as a valid way of learning. And finally, our last is self-determination theory that shows how enjoyment promotes intrinsic motivation in all of which relate well to the use of song in the learning education or relate to my research, of course. The next is the methodology. This was a descriptive qualitative study. I worked with 25 7th grade student at Junior High School 1, Pekalongan. I use three data collection tools. The first is questionnaire, interviews, and classroom observation. The data were analyzed using descriptive statistic and thematic analysis, and I use triangulation to strengthen the validity of the result. The next is finding on the motivation. Based on the questionnaire, the average class score was 3.8 4.54 out of 5, which is indicated high motivation. About 64% of students were classified as highly motivated. Students reported that learning English through songs made them feel more relaxed, helped them focus, and encouraged them to participate actively in class. The next finding on the perception. So, in terms of perception, many students feel that song made learning enjoyable and less stressful. 60% agreed or strongly agreed that songs made lesson more fun, while 45% felt that song helped them learn about the vocabulary in English learning. Although some students were neutral about improving the pronunciation, the majority still supported that the use of song and wanted more the use of song in the class. But the next slide is these findings support the theories I mentioned earlier, but some not only reduce the anxiety but also help students to focus and enjoy the learning process. That my results are also consistent with those of Nadia and Suryati and Aguirre 2016, who also found that the music can boost the student motivation. The research suggests that songs should be intentionally integrated in the English as a foreign language curriculum. So the conclusion that to conclude using songs in English lesson is effective in increasing student motivation. Songs create a fun, engaging, and low anxiety environment, which is beneficial for the language learning. I recommend that the English teacher consider the use of songs more frequently in strategically as part of their lesson plan. So thank you for listening my presentation. I hope my research can provide or can be useful insight for the English foreign language educators. Now, welcome to any question. If there any question, can you mention. You can also reach me by email at the firjawan23@gmail.com. So thank you for listening again and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.